All right, so my last video cut me off just a little bit, but our last word was weary, just means to be very tired. We talked about reasons that someone might be tired. So maybe after you had a long school day or a long basketball tournament, or maybe you didn't get enough sleep the night before. Those are all reasons you might be weary or just very tired. All right, I'm going to move on from vocab now. Oh, should we come up with hand motions? Think about it. I'll let you come up with your own hand motions this time. How about that? Okay, when you're done with vocab, then the next thing you're gonna do is says open the daily slideshow below, review your new spelling words. All words sound like ah, but the ah is spelled in different ways. So let's just peek at that real quick. Here's our daily slideshow. All right, so you guys don't have your own spelling lists handy, so just use this as your spelling list this week. All your words are on here. All right, here are our spelling words, and like I said just a second ago, what all your words have in common this week is they all have the ah sound, ah. And I think they kind of cheat a little bit because they also say all, so ah and all. So here are some ways we can spell that aw sound. So the first way is we can have an AL making the aw. For squall, it would also be AL. That U really has nothing to do with that aw sound because remember that Q and U are married and they always go together. So that U really has nothing to do with it. So for this word, it would also be AL, aw. Same with halt. For aw, this word, it would be a consonant E, makes the aw sound. For alter, it'd be another AL. Laws, aw, AW can make the aw sound. And also OUGH can make the aw sound, like in cough. But not always though, because think of like the word through, like if you go through a tunnel, that's also OUGH and it makes a completely different sound. It makes that oo sound. So sometimes OUGH makes aw, but not always. Another OUGH here for fought, AW, AL, AW. So really the main ones are AL, AW, A consonant E. I'd say for aw actually. I don't really know which one would make the sound. I guess it's AW. I don't know. That's a good one. We'll see how they put it on your Wednesday sheet. But this whole word makes the aw sound, so it might just be AWE, honestly. Because really, all those letters make aw. I don't know. But yeah, and then the OUGH, like I said before. Hopefully, if you have any questions about what any of these words mean, I'm sure your parents know, so you can ask them, or you can have them shoot me an email if they don't know. Okay, so for your spelling words today for practice, you're going to write them in ABC order. Just write them in your ELA notebook. Obviously, I can't check them from home, so just keep it in your notebook. I'll check it whenever we get back to school. Okay, so go ahead and get started on that. Make sure you're doing it because I really am going to check it when we get back. And that's how you'll practice your spelling words for today. Then that is the last thing you're going to do for me today. So once you are finished writing your spelling words in ABC order, you are done with language arts for today. So have your parents email me if you have any questions, but hopefully you guys are doing okay from the work I'm receiving from you so far. From last week, it seems like you guys are on it. So I'm super proud of you. Please remember that just because you're at home doesn't mean that you can't work hard and continue to do your best. So always work hard, always do your best, and be the kids I know you can be. And I hope to see you in person soon, but if not, I'll see you in another video or see you in a virtual meeting in the near future. So have fun in the snow, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.